Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. I hope you all are good today. We are going to read an amazing story today, Princess and the Bird. Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom, there was a kind princess named Vidya. One sunny day, she found a small bird with a broken wing trapped in a thorny bush near the forest. Princess Vidya carefully freed the bird and took it back to the palace. She made a cozy nest for it and gently cared for its wounded wing. Every day, she brought it food and water, and the bird sang the most beautiful songs, filling the palace with joy. As the bird healed, its songs made flowers bloom and brought smiles to everyone. When the bird was fully healed, Princess Vidya knew it was time to let it go. She opened the window and the bird flew free, promising to return every spring with its enchanting music. From that day on, every spring the bird returned, singing its magical songs and reminding everyone of Princess Vidya's kindness and care. The moral that we learn from this beautiful story is kindness and caring for others bring happiness, and letting go can bring even more beauty into the world. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.